Hello and welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to be taking a look at this 1985 Honda City Turbo 2 from Hot Wheels. This is part of the HW Speed Graphics series, number 10 of 10 of that series. And this is also part of the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels from 1968 to 2018. And as you can see over here, new for 2018. And we've seen this one in a different color, and this one is black with some blue stripes and red stripes. It looks really cool. Very boxy 80s design. It even has a little write-up back here on the card art about the history of it, which is pretty cool. And as we can see just before we take it out of the package, it's got some very simple wheels on it, number 5 on the side, little tiny hood scoop design, and not very much room inside, and a tiny little wing, probably for maximum performance. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here we have our Honda City Turbo 2 out of its packaging, and we can see how cute this guy is. He's really short, it's very tall for the scale of car it is, and it just looks really cool. Very boxy, very 80s. And we can see it's right-hand drive, JDM style. It's very cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'll start with the front today. The front doesn't really have a lot of detail. It does have this really cool body kit looking thing on it, a little hood scoop up here, and a sunroof at the top, which is kind of nice. It's got some tinted, slightly tinted windows, which is nice. The detail's really good for such a small car. It has the Hot Wheels logo, the Honda logo, and then the word turbo and a number 5. It's very nice. You can see the little blue exhaust pipe from the plastic base. Looks really cool, kind of poking out the one side. And very simple wheels. If we turn it around the back, we can see a spoiler, and if you look in the back, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little motorcycle in there called a Moto Compo, which actually folded up and came in the back of these, I believe. So really cool piece of Japanese car history. As we can see on this side, same idea, little gas cap there, and same kind of design, and it looks really good. The interior is very detailed as well. So I would say this is a really good detailed JDM car, and I'm happy to have it in my collection. I'll park it beside my Skyline and my RX-7, and I'll be very happy. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.